Watching the CL. Sold the CL. There it goes. +5. Alright, so let's look at this. Look at the nice strong push. We have an overbought condition. We have a high of the day. We have obviously our speed tick and our pullback alert. So we don't have, or actually it did have opportunity for just a regular rock star trade because we had that high of the day. When it opened and popped up a little bit. So I actually got filled in here. I sold it here. Now it jumped up here, got to I think -5 before it decided to pull back and give us a our winner here. Now this is why I only trade for this small pullback, because I'm expecting with this move up, this short-term trend we got going on here, that's going to want to continue. This right here, this little pullback right here, that's our edge. What happens after that, whether it continues, whether it starts going back in the direction of the trend, I don't care, as long as I get my few ticks. This is where our strength is in measuring this edge right here.